Welcome to Fusion 360 tutorial on Flanged Elbow. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use pipe command to extrude and make holes, how to use circular pattern, constructing a plane along path, and mirror command. So let us begin. As our CAD drawing is in metric, go to document settings on left side pane, click on change active unit and change our unit type to millimeters. Next, go to sketch, click on create drop down menu and select on arc, 3-point arc, and select our origin as first edge and second on the right side of the plane. Give the radius as 60. As our center point is hanging, that is not defined, to make it as in the same line with the origin, select horizontal from the constraint menu and select both points. Similarly, select center and second point to align them vertically. Our sketch have all black lines. Click on Finish Sketch. Go to Create, select Pipe, select Path as our arc, and give the diameter in section size, that is 36. Now select Create Sketch on end face. Hit C button to draw a circle from origin and press D to give dimensions. Give 96 as our diameter. Again press C and D to draw inner circle of diameter 66. Hit escape to exit the active command and select the inner circle. Press X to make it construction. Draw a horizontal construction line from the origin to inner circle. Hit X to make it construction. Again draw a circle of diameter 27, which will be the center hole of our flange. Click on Finish Sketch. Click on Extrude. Select Circle, except the inner hole, and give the distance as 10 mm. Go to left browser pane in the Sketch drop-down menu. Turn on the visibility of the sketch too. Now we will create multiple operations using the same sketch. Select the endpoint of the line, make hole, type as counter bore, give 18 mm and 11 mm respectively, and depth as 2 mm, and click OK. Go to Create menu to create the circular pattern. Make the pattern type as feature. Select our hole as object and axis as center circle, and give the quantity as 4. Next, we will create center hole in the pipe. Again, go to Pipe command from the Create menu. Turn on the visibility of the sketch 1 and select Arc as our path. Give 27 as section size with cut operation. Now our center hole is created. Next, we are going to mirror the flange on the other side. So go to Construct menu, select Plane along path. Select the arc from the sketch 1 and drag the plane to the midpoint in the center and click OK. Go to Mirror command from the Create menu. Select Pattern Type as Feature and select Flange with Holes. Select our mirror plane that we created and click OK. Lastly, give fillets as 5 mm and 3 mm respectively. With this, our flange is completed. If you are looking for CAD drawing to practice, visit my website maxsavvy.com. Also consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next tutorial.